Do you want to break the YouTube's algorithm to get more views, likes, and subscribers? Watch this whole video to find out how can you do that.
I came from nothing to something like it's nothing. Yeah, you know I done it. That is no discussion, bitch. I'm ballin'. I made a promise to my mama. I'ma turn these zeros into tens and commas.
Yo, what's up, guys? It's Reinis here to further your income and impact online with YouTube and Instagram. Let's get straight into this video. To break YouTube's algorithm, you must understand it. It works like this. Your videos will be ranked by the amount of views they get and by the watch time, right? And those two things vary by how long is your video, how much people are interested in that video, and how much trust do you have, how much people trust you, your advice, what you're giving. You have to remember those things. I know this is cliche, you've heard that 1,000 times, but think about it, content comes first. If you have a shitty video, nobody's gonna watch it. They might click on it, but the audience retention will be low. What I want you to do, I want you to look at YouTube analytics. You can look over and go to audience retention and check out audience retention for each one of the videos individually. You can see in which places people hopped off, people like stayed for longer. You need to analyze this. You need to think about, okay, when I talk about myself, people hop off. When the intro is rolling, people hop off. And you need to analyze and adapt to the statistics YouTube gives you, because YouTube wants you to win. YouTube wants you to win. Right now, it's the things you can control that you need to fix and focus on this.
Number 2.
Promoting your videos. Not a lot of people talk about this, but it's a great way to grow your YouTube channel, because here's the thing, as I just said, the more watch time you get and the bigger audience retention you get, the more the video gets promoted. I've promoted my own videos. There's always a video that's being promoted on my YouTube channel. You might be coming here from one of them, but here's the thing, when you promote your video and maybe nobody subscribed, but you get like 1,000 views, that means YouTube sees that there's a lot of views. It doesn't care that it comes from ads or not, and the video is still going to be pushed out to more and more people. This is what happening to a video that got 3,000 views, 1,500 were from ads, and the rest of it was organic. That's the magic part about ads. It gives you, from the paid reach you get, you also get organic reach. So keep this in mind when creating videos and when promoting videos. If you want me to make a video on how to promote a YouTube channel or video, comment it down below and I'm gonna check that out. Then what I want you to do, I want you to think about content versus frequency. So as I said, key thing is content, and I actually created a video about content frequency. I'm gonna do a quick summary in this one. If you want to watch a full one, click over there. So the quick summary is, you need to find the balance point between content and frequency. You don't want to post every 10 seconds, if you know what I mean, if the content is shit. You want to post at a rate where people care about your content, that's number one. And second, where your content is high enough quality, when new people come in, they like it, enjoy it, and actually subscribe and stick to watch that. This also comes from your analytics and everything. You can look at the all stats YouTube gives you, because those are valuable stats. And to give you some insights, if you can get 75% audience retention with like 5 minutes of watch time, that can be great. YouTube will love that. And the more watch time you get, the better for you. So I've been talking about watch time, watch hours. How can you do that? So as a small channel, I recommend you starting off with small, short, and concise videos. When somebody wants to get the answer, they Google it real quickly, and when they see that, they want to get it as fast as possible. So you want to create short and concise videos. As your channel grows, as your trust grows, as everything that grows, you can start making longer and shittier edited content, because people are gonna trust you. They will actually want to see longer videos. But when you're at our level, as this channel is right now, you don't want to watch 20-minute video if you don't know who I am. You want to watch a quick, short, concise 3-minute video, as this one will be. So yeah, guys, this is pretty much it. A short, concise video, as I said. Thanks for watching. If you want to make money online, subscribe and click the bell notification so you don't miss any video. Peace.